It's the next morning after cleaning the shed, and I wanted to show you guys that it doesn't matter how much work I do, the shed is always a mess. Case in point, you saw what it looked like in the last video, and it's already a mess. This is like 6 hours later, and I slept for 5 of it. All this stuff needs to be put away. There's a couple tools over there that I need to put inside this box. It's already a mess. And I'm busy today. I've got things to do. I'm bringing more tools in here, just getting them out of the rain, getting them out of the winter, and putting them away. Got a few more tools here. Those need to be put away. And they'll just live there for now. Over in the dart, I'm pretty sure we have some tools. Oh, geez. Yeah, we got lots of tools in here. This is from when I pulled the transmission. I've got to put all these away now. Why is thread locker so expensive? Someone please tell me that. This was like $27. It's back to clean. Now let's try and keep it this way. On my way to return this coolant and drop off some used oil. I also need to go pick up like 100 of these screws. So I'm gonna stop by the hardware store first because that's the closest place. Now I got the box of screws. Now to return that and drop off the oil. We're on our way. Well, it got sort of dark. So all of a sudden it's nighttime. I'm over to my vending machine, and I noticed when I installed it earlier that it says cash only. So I'm gonna try and fix that because I don't know why it says cash only. As you can see, I wasn't able to figure it out. I'll have to do that tomorrow or something when the customer support is open. I actually don't have any more wood. I mean, I have wood over there, but it's not on my watch on today. It's midnight, so I can't be sanding any wood at midnight. So I'll have to continue with the wood at a later date. However, I got a suggestion from a friend. Instead of putting some sort of mounting on the back, they suggested to just do holes about 2 inches in on both sides, right in the center, and that way you can mount it to a wall. That way when you're picking up your keys, I have a tendency to I grab the whole ring, and so when I lift up the keys, I would hit that with my finger and it might knock that off. So if I put 2 holes in either side, it can be mounted to a wall. So that's what I'm going to do. For future reference, we're going 3/16. So that's all I can do on the wood tonight, but I can still bend some keys. that's all I'm doing on the gifts tonight. My hands are kind of cold. It's pretty chilly tonight. It's currently 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's probably maybe 3 degrees warmer in my shed. So 43. So maybe what I'll do is I'll get to this side of the shed, the side that I didn't get to in the last video, and I'll kind of work on that. I really want this bench that my engine is on to be available, because filming on that is a lot better than filming on these benches, because the lights, I can actually set the camera up right here, put the bench right here, and then these lights shine right down on it. But first, let's see if I can make a bullseye. I went all the way around it. Oh well. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to lift that. I'm gonna have to wait for my buddy. That sucks, because I kind of want to use that. So the reason I did that was this space right over here. I really wanted to open that up so that all that is the magnet, and I don't need to access any of that. So I can put various things in front of it. It doesn't matter. Getting cold. I do have a little oil space heater in here, but I think I'm gonna, now that I have power in here that is more power than I had before, I think I can put up to 20 amps. Actually, I think I have 2 lines coming in, so I can do 2 heaters up to 20 amps each. But usually the space heaters take up 12.5 amps on their max. So 12.5 amps per line. I think there's 2 lines coming in here. One goes to this side of the shed, and then one we haven't wired up yet will go to this side of the shed, just because I don't work on this side as much. All my benches are over here. Eventually I would like to line the benches up on both sides, but that's not today. I would have to get another shed to put all my other stuff in before I would do that. Well, that's it for today. I've been rambling on way too long. I want to thank you guys for liking. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you in the next one.